let's get started. So today we are going to talk about another beautiful extension. So traditionally what you guys used to do is you guys have an element and you need to change its style. Maybe you need to change its font style or its color, anything you have to do that is related to CSS. You would go to the CSS file, right, and do your stuff. Now I have installed a beautiful extension that helps me. I do not have to actually switch to the CSS file. I can actually write my CSS inside the HTML file. And that CSS is neither internal CSS nor inline CSS. That's external CSS. Let me show you the extension I use. The name of the extension is actually CSS Peak. Just write this. It's an extension. It was actually developed by an Indian guy. Probably his name is Pranay Prakash. And just install it. I don't have install button because I already have. You guys just have to click the install button, which you would show if you have not installed it yet. So what I would do is I would just go to my element that I want to use. I would click over it and then just press F12, and that would open up my CSS file inside my HTML file, and I could just edit it if I want to. And let's say I want its font family as Arial, right? And I would just switch it up over here, then close it if I want to. And if you go into your external CSS, your change would also be there. So how cool is this extension, right? So that was CSS Peak for you guys, and that's it for this video's tutorial.